Klasikong anime.
Hello everyone,
Klaseng anime.
my name is Ralph and today I will reviewing Lincoln, my favorite movie.
Uy, patayin ng mga
2012 historical
nag-i-echo.
drama directed by Steven Spielberg and starring Daniel Day-Lewis as Abraham
Ako
Lincoln.
walang bihis oh. Kunat.
The movie focuses on the final months of the President Lincoln's life during the American Civil War. Instead of showing large battle scenes, the film centers on the Lincoln's determination to pass
Bilis
the
na
Curtain
lumipat ang
Amendment,
putek.
which would permanently abolish slavery in the United States. The story highlights the political negotiation, personal struggles, and moral decisions involved in the story. One of the strongest aspects of the film is Daniel Day-Lewis' performance. He completely transformed into Abraham Lincoln, capturing his voice, mannerism, and truth-based personality. His performance feels natural and deeply emotional, which earned him Academy Award for Best Actor. The support cast also performed exceptionally well.
Hindi niya alam,
Sally
daming
Field plays
affinity
Mary
class na
Todd
affinity.
Lincoln with great intensity, and Tommy Lee
Ano
Jones
ka,
gives
bading?
powerful performance
Bading.
as a congressman
Para sa may
Darius
jowa lang yung bading.
Stevens. The film dialogue is
Ano?
intelligent and
Bading.
meaningful, showing how complicated the political
Sige,
Cyclops ka na lang, Cyclops.
ito ka na lang oh.
cinematography,
Marunong ka mag-micro, di ba? Bato-bato mo lang yung screen yan.
Pero huwag ka lumapit.
Madali lang yan. Huwag ka maging fighter. Pagtukan kita pag nag-fighter ka dyan.
realistic and serious tones. However, the movie is slow paced, which is boring, and you can everyone might find it
Uy,
even
marunong.
that sucks or tastes.
Marunong kulay, marunong pencil.
Maganda yun yun. Para sa yung
It's
sige.
heavily focused on conversations, political
Maraming
decisions,
film yun.
and viewers into their impact.
Maraming siya oh. Pakita ko mamaya.
Overall, Lincoln is powerful and historical drama, provides insight into leadership, courage, and diplomacy during the critical periods in American history. And for my last final rating, I would like to rate it 4.5
Uy, simula
out
na
of
nandito tayo, hindi na sila makinig.
I recommended it to this film to anyone interested in history, politics, and strong characters driven by
Uy, di ba
story.
17 din na
Also,
sila laki?
I learned about this movie is how to manage
17.
things, how to manage struggles, stress, and leadership to my companion. That's why I learned a lot in this movie. And I would recommend this to those leaders who want to become a great leader of their country and their teammates in the group. That's all. Thank you.